Boat service in Loktak Lake has become a major attraction of tourists visiting the beautiful lake. At present, more than 10 boats are used in ferrying tourists to Thanga and Karang Island in the floating lake daily. Only ₹10 is charged per head for traveling to Thanga and Karang Island. The boats carry school-going students, people during festive occasions and tourists to the floating islands on Loktak Lake day and night.
I saji Karang dagi ni akoi service togje cha akoi gi association da akoi include torga akoi service togje bani akoi gi association ni na Karang Island Board Association akoi ajik boat tarana akoi service torga lei adu akoi na ajik Karang gi na tangai padana chatok chasin da kudong thibel lemba mayam du boat service togdi kharadi akoi mayam da chu one ngai kharadi fare adu ajik lengak ki maikai dagi di akoi gi leiba service ki lambi thongi piom fattaba sida lengak maikai dagi di akoi thaidokpa akoi da kanna ba pirakpa adu gi di hasu pawu da kesu leitri.
A tourist visiting the lake shared his viewpoint to Tom TV.
Motor tong dana hi na han salam badagi motor tong mosina motor bo tong mosina yam nongai ba leire khoi athu han adei pot chai yam pu ba khotpa gi timing chu ngame aduga yang chu yange chalu ra ka se halak bu nange aduga yam nongai taba mana motor bo ki noi gi handak chandong gi da motor bo change dawne ama haibado adugi pot to sida torom da ba u ba sida I khita nongai taba lei aduga khoi gi
local gi hi tawro ka salam sidi khoi yamna tappa yamna matam sangba polo aduma oiramba hawisina khoi gi motor boat haidana khoi gi sumaina engine palaga tawusina khoi asuki matik khoi gi thabak satpa matamda yamna thujinba haibadi yamna khoina pamiba ani kanosi sumai khudong sabasi yamna ji hele haibata advantage yam oirena
ado to haningbadi thonggumba gaigumba khar saraga taragadi hena chawkhatpasu oigani dagi nungaibasu oigani na hainjaning haitar.
However, during the rainy season, all the miniature floating islands on the Loktak Lake move towards the east of the lake, due to which the residents of Karang often face inconveniences in commuting. Keeping the lake clean is the responsibility not only for the residents of the surrounding area, but also for the inhabitants of the capital city, Imphal. So it is necessary to maintain cleanliness of rivers flowing in the Imphal city, since these rivers flow to the Loktak Lake ultimately.
Adumoinamak boat service toriba asida asoyangam thoktanaba lengakna ahenba midyeng changba maikei sunggi miyamna pamna hori. Cameraman Sanaga loinana baudam jariba yaifu maite Times of Manipur Loktak Lake.